This video provides a comprehensive strategic analysis of Gemini 3 Pro and the new economy, exploring the agentic shift. As of November 2025, the AI landscape is marked by a reasoning race. This has resulted in a fragmented market, differentiating between warm chatbots and capable agents. Gemini 3 Pro isn't just better, it's fundamentally different. Unlike passive chat that generates text, Gemini 3 Pro acts as an active agent, capable of executing tasks like fixing bugs and deploying applications. Gemini 3 Pro caters to diverse users: solopreneurs building SaaS products, enterprise CTOs automating compliance, programmers shifting to architecture, and creators automating content production. Gemini 3 Pro features an impressive 1 million token context window, equivalent to about 700,000 words. This allows it to handle massive codebases, extensive documentation, or hours of video content. Gemini 3 Pro is a benchmark king, establishing a clear lead in high-complexity tasks. It outperforms GPT-5.1 in LM Arena ELO and Humanities Last Exam. DeepThink enables System 2 thinking. Unlike standard inference, this feature allows the model to ponder and plan before executing, significantly boosting reasoning scores, critical for complex architecture, and enabling self-correction. Gemini 3 demonstrates multimodal supremacy. It not only reads text, but also understands motion, physics, and processes audio natively. With a video MMMU score of 87.6%, it excels at dynamic visual information. Screen spotting is a key feature, enabling Gemini 3 to visually parse screen layouts with human-like accuracy. It scored 72.7% versus GPT-5, one's 3.5% on ScreenSpot Pro, proving critical for front-end development. Terminal Bench 2.0 measures an AI's ability to operate a computer via the command line. Gemini 3 Pro achieves a trustworthy 54.2%, outperforming GPT 5.1 and Gemini 2.5. Math Arena Apex highlights Gemini 3 Pro's unprecedented gap in solving novel, contest-level math problems. It demonstrates true mathematical reasoning, not just pattern matching, stumping other frontier models. Being native means Gemini 3 operates as one model, processing text, image, audio, and video simultaneously without separate encoders. This enables seamless sketch-to-app conversion from handwritten drawings to code. In practice, Gemini 3's vast context window allows it to ingest entire repositories, analyze hours of video, and cross-reference thousands of contracts, eliminating the need for traditional retrieval augmented generation, or RAG. Gemini 3 is designed with reduced sycophancy, prioritizing factual accuracy over pleasing the user. It's built to tell you the truth, even if it's not what you want to hear. Google Anti-Gravity is a physical manifestation of the agentic era. It's a fork of VS Code with an agent-first design, enabling asynchronous task delegation. The agentic loop outlines a 5-step process: intent, plan, action, verify, and iterate. This structured approach underpins the autonomous capabilities of agentic systems. The vibe coding revolution signifies a shift in programming, where English becomes the hottest new language. Developers manage logic and architecture, focusing on intent rather than rigid syntax. To address the black box problem, Anti-Gravity generates tangible artifacts such as implementation plans, task lists, and browser recordings. This allows users to read the plan, not just the diff. The human-in-the-loop approach allows users to trust and verify. They can comment directly on generated screenshots or artifacts, guiding the agent without needing to touch code. Vibe coding starts with high-level vibes and intent. For example, a user might input, "Create a productivity dashboard. Make it look like a cozy coffee shop. Use warm earth tones and wood textures." Following the input of high-level intent, vibe coding proceeds with real-time generation and preview, allowing for immediate visualization of the described concepts. The Infinite Wiki template, powered by Gemini Flashlight for low latency, is a blueprint for recursive generation. Each clicked link dynamically generates a new page, creating an endless wiki. Generative UI instantly transforms static text results into interactive, functional widgets, enhancing user experience and efficiency. Instead of starting from scratch, developers can remix apps using templates like Nano Banana and Infinite Wiki to bootstrap development. The remix button has become the new fork. The solopreneur opportunity offers 10x leverage, enabling one person to achieve the output of a 10-person engineering team. The new moat is creativity, empathy, and vibes, not just technical skill. One use case for Gemini 3 Pro is building micro SaaS products. Niche tools, like an inventory tracker for craft breweries or an AI itinerary for Rome, can be built in hours, not months. Monetization strategies include subscriptions for recurring revenue, pay-per-use for compute/utility, and website as a service, offering niche tools for specific industries. Another use case is legacy migration, such as converting COBOL to Python. Gemini 3's 1M context window can ingest entire legacy codebases, and DeepThink ensures it understands business logic before refactoring. The ROI analysis for migration reveals a massive arbitrage opportunity, highlighting the significant financial benefits of utilizing Gemini 3 for these complex projects. A third use case is the content machine, which automates the creator economy pipeline from source text to script generation and video generation, streamlining content creation. For enterprise automation, Gemini 3 can power customer support agents to resolve complex refund requests autonomously, reducing support costs while improving response times. The power of Gemini 3 Pro means no syntax is required, empowering the idea person. If you can describe it, you can build it, democratizing software creation. We are entering the throwaway app economy, where software is so cheap to produce that it can be used once, like a custom app for a wedding schedule. Monetizing gems involves prompt engineering as a product. Users can create custom instructed versions of Gemini and sell them as specialized experts. Competitive advantage now hinges on speed. Traditional development takes about a month, whereas vibe coding with Gemini 3 Pro can deliver results in just one weekend. At $2 per 1 million input tokens, the aggressive pricing of Gemini 3 Pro makes heavy context applications economically viable for startups and businesses. The DeepThink Premium offers two tiers: Standard, which is fast, capable, and affordable for most tasks, and Ultra, which accesses DeepThink for high-stakes consulting and complex logic. The maintenance challenge, or ghostware risk, highlights that generating code you don't understand can create maintenance debt. The new skill is debugging logic and verifying output, not just writing code. The community has praised Gemini 3 Pro, calling it a monster in math and highlighting DeepThink mode as a game changer. However, some open-source developers have expressed frustration about the Ultra subscription gatekeeping. MKBHD's review of Gemini 3 Pro, titled "Gemini Reads the Room," praised its ability to summarize video content. However, he also raised concerns about its potential impact on creator ad revenue. Fireship's review, The Skeptic's View, acknowledged Gemini 3 Pro's technical feats, but it also warned about ghostware, where non-technical users might struggle to fix bugs if the vibe breaks. This slide provides an overview of the various pricing tiers available for Gemini 3 Pro. This slide presents a comparison of the API pricing for Gemini 3 Pro against other available options.